Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you the location of the OnStar fuse. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. The fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel in the passenger's cabin. Now to access it, first you'll have to remove this black cover, which is held by two black tabs, one here, one on the other side. You want to press them at the same time and pull the cover down. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the OnStar fuse, it's a fuse number F38, which is a 5M fuse located just down here. Okay, I will zoom out a bit. This is the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.